Whoa, man, an orchid. That's wild.
Left lung to mind control. Sir, something's different. It's clean air, sir. Sensory overload. Breathe. Woo! It's like Christmas.
Hey, what's gotten into you?
Oh.
You like my koru?
Oh, is that what you called your orchid?
No, the pot. It's the world's first AI-powered plant pot and air purifier. Koru combines the natural air filtration properties of plants with a high-end photocatalyst filter, UVA and UVC light to eliminate 99% of smoke, pollution, and bacteria. Plus, Koru uses a washable filter, so it never needs to be replaced. Koru also automates my plant care. It provides specific parameters for over 150 houseplants and has a growing botanical database. The light, temperature, and humidity sensors provide real-time monitoring and feedback on how to grow my plants based on the current season. The sensors keep the soil moist at just the right level and also let me know when I need to refill the water reservoir. It even tracks how much light my plant gets, so I know if I need to move it or not. Hey Alexa, how's my plant doing?
Your orchid is doing perfectly, and your home's current air quality is fantastic.
Introducing Koru, the revolutionary smart plant pot and air purifier. Order yours now.
I can finally take a break.
It's a struggle living and working in the same space.
Hi! Oh! Okay! Nice! Bye!
You don't have to erase your flow. Introducing Secret Whiteboard by SableFlow. Easily swap art. Quick installation. Flip to open in either direction. Show your best side on every call. And a satisfying magnetic closure. Switch from work to home with a flick of the wrist. Now let's meet our founder.
Hi, I'm Tomer Saran, founder of SableFlow. I created the Secret Whiteboard when, like so many of us today, I was working at a kitchen table in a small apartment. I needed somewhere to organize my genius ideas, but hated how whiteboards take over a space. I was also struggling with feeling overworked, and the Secret Whiteboard gives me the space to feel productive and turn off work at the end of the day. The Secret Whiteboard hides in plain sight, so you can keep your workflow and your style. After 2 years of product development, our team is so excited to bring this project to you and see all the amazing ways that you'll use it.
Such as organizing your home, raising your kids, at game night. It works where you work. have the confidence to host in a moment's notice.
Hi!
Back Secret Whiteboard on Kickstarter today. Secret Whiteboard by Sable Flow.
Try again. Shake. I don't think she knows it. But that's okay. Okay.
So we just got like one of the most exciting packages in the mail that we've ever gotten, and that is this, the Arc Droid, which is an incredibly tiny, incredibly easy to use CNC plasma cutter robot.
Hi there, my name's Andrew Miller, founder and lead designer for 2AM Innovations, and I'm here to talk about an exciting piece of news in the world of CNC plasma cutting. The all-new Arc Droid plasma cutting robot. So, if you're like me, someone with dirt under your fingernails and far too many unfinished projects in the garage, you at some point have probably thought about how cool it would be to have an automated metal cutting system amongst your tools. You know, make your straight things straight and your round things round. But the cost and complexity of a traditional CNC table may be scaring you off. I'm here to tell you, you don't have to be afraid anymore.
It has a ton of really cool features, and it's that big, so it's highly portable.
Arc Droid is the world's first small, portable, self-contained light industrial robot designed specifically for CNC plasma. It's compact and 100% functional right out of the box. It's easily set up on just about any surface. Has no complex or time-consuming assembly, and there's no requirement for a support PC or the external software. The Arc Droid is an affordable way to up your plasma game. And with our Simple Trace function, there's no need for that CAD/CAM learning curve. Simple Trace lets you use the Arc Droid arm to follow the contours of your template, either point-to-point or freehand, and high-accuracy encoders capture everything and turn them into a cut file right away. You can then adjust settings and positions using our glove-friendly touchscreen interface, and you can even add simple shapes like holes and rectangles. Once you're done, swap in the plasma torch using our quick release head, and you'll be cutting in no time. Now, for those of you out there saying, oh wait, I have a PC, I have CAD skills, what about me? Don't worry, we've got you covered. For those wanting more control, the Arc Droid is compatible with most CAD/CAM programs like Fusion 360 and SolidWorks. Detailed cut files can be downloaded directly to the Arc Droid via USB, so whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned professional, we've got you covered. Arc Droid is meant to be a portable, affordable, and easy way to turn your plasma cutter into a powerful shop tool. I'm Andrew Miller. Thanks for joining me for this quick look at the Arc Droid. And remember, with the Arc Droid, any table is a plasma table.
It's the only CNC plasma cutter that has this feature. You don't even need a computer to cut with this. Maybe you make a template out of cardboard like we do often. We get to be beta testers for this machine because it's going to be coming out in production around Christmas time. Until then, there's going to be an Indiegogo campaign very soon. It's going to take all of our projects to the next level of awesomeness.
Meet Arthur Clarke. Let's read some of its quotes together. There was a cautious knock at the door near his head.
Gregor?
Somebody called. It was his mother.
It's 7:15. Didn't you want to go somewhere?
Strand postmark and dispatch 1036, said Holmes, reading it over and over.
Mr. Overton was evidently considerably excited when he sent it over and somewhat incoherent in consequence.
Now for the center of the globe, he added in Danish. I looked at Hans. Forward, was his tranquil answer.
Forward,
replied my uncle. It was 13 minutes past 1. 'Tis now struck 12. Get thee to bed, Francisco.